Hello, vacation home buyers and rental property investors. We are here in the beautiful, iconically famous surf town of Sayulita, Mexico, paying off an amazing project. This beautiful Robinson Crusoe style treehouse sits directly on ocean frontage and has the most privileged view. We are super excited to be working with owners from Idaho who will be using this as an escape from ski conditions in the off-season and enjoying lazy afternoons here with their friends and family and four-legged friends, a poolside with these incredible views. So follow along, take a look. Our entire crew is here today to kick off this process. We cannot wait to share it with you.